What would be your message of change to your community and to Kenya?
Don't listen to politicians. Yeah. Don't listen to politicians.
Why?
Because they are liars. They come lie to you and tell you that they're able to solve your problems. But all they say are basically lies for you to vote for them. But your problems remain. Your challenges remain. They are not solved. So don't listen to politicians. Listen to ideas that will change your lives. This is the most critical decisions that communities have to make. And this, for me, is one of the seeds that I am passionate about planting. A new ideology where we can be honest with the communities and we can make or build trust, with the communities. And this is, for instance, one of the things that during one my Thanksgiving event that we brought the communities in my village, together, basically to showcase or thank them and try to understand what the challenges, or try to present to them some of the opportunities that are there. One of the things that we were passionate about is to communicate the idea about transformative change. That change can happen. You need to educate your child, support them to go, and they can basically succeed and become somebody in the society. And that when this happens, we can start thinking about a new ideology about the communities in a way that basically focuses on linking much more strategically to the challenges that the communities face. And in the event that I'm talking about, we basically tried to lock out the politicians from this particular initiative. Of course, a number of politicians came and they wanted to use the opportunity to also gain some political mileage. But because we were speaking to the hearts of the communities and we were trying to show the community that, look, you need to get a better deal. One of the things we need to do is to be honest. We need to plant a new ideology of hope that the communities can trust that there is hope here and they can give their effort and focus. So in that particular narrative, I think the place and the role of the politicians was kind of very minimal, So we changed the narrative to communities focusing more on what can we do rather than what can this politician do to us. And most of the politicians who were even at this particular event basically didn't get the kind of interest that the communities would always try to show them. But this is because the community's attitude, perspective is already changing, because we are planting a new idea of change, an idea of honesty, an idea of really understanding what the communities need, an idea of working together with the communities to resolve the challenges. Not because I want a position, not because I want to control CDF, but because we believe that we have the responsibility as African professional researchers, whichever position you hold, even if you are a farmer, to really work together to resolve some of the challenges, and to do so in a honest, transparent, and in a very hopeful way.